the latest pickup. It's a 1993 Jeep Cherokee Country. So the Country model is kind of cool because it does come with the factory skid plate up front. We have that. There's some tow hooks. There's some other wood grain trim. Some of the Countries did, I think, maybe came with a 1.5 inch lift kit from the factory. I don't know. Then I'm sure, I don't think I've said this yet, but it's probably easy enough to figure out. I do buy and sell Jeeps all the time. I'll buy them broken, fix them, and then sell them for some extra money on the side. This is kind of cool. I like it because it had the AX15. It's got a 5-speed. I have not been able to actually really test drive it. I know it goes into first gear and moves, but we're having quite a bit of an issue with it. Other than that, it's got some rust holes underneath on the passenger side, but above the floors, there's not really any rust on it. The body's pretty straight. The paint's okay. 250,000 miles is what it's got. So I'm gonna fire it up right now and show you guys what we're looking at. Not really much to see. Basically, it didn't start any of the times I gave it a shot. So, So right now, no start condition. It is cranking, so not a battery issue, not a starter issue. Could be a crankshaft position sensor. I don't think so. That's really common on these Jeeps. They're kind of a pain in the butt to do, but I can test that with the multimeter. I don't think it's gonna be that because I've been able to get it started on occasion and it kind of sputters and turns over. I think it's a fuel delivery issue. I've had success getting it started with starter fluid. But even then, when I try to put it in gear and go, it pretty much bogs down and dies. So we're gonna start and get a fuel pressure tester kit on the rail. There's a Schrader valve at the rail. So that's what I'm gonna do first, and I'm gonna clean out the throttle, the intake, throttle body, and all that. See if the butterfly valve is gummed up. So that's where we're gonna start and then go from there.